To install your product safely and properly, see our mounting guidelines video and our stud finding video here and here before moving forward. If your truck is not exactly where you want to hang your top, move it accordingly. Now we will install the SmartTrack lifting system. One way to find the position for your SmartTrack is to measure from the 4 mounting brackets to the nearest walls beside and behind the truck. Then use those measurements and make corresponding marks on the ceiling. This will help you know where to install your SmartTrack. You can also use a plumb bob, as seen here. Once you've marked your ceiling directly above the brackets, move the truck out of the way. You'll need to determine which way the studs move in your ceiling, as the SmartTrack must be mounted perpendicular to the studs. Your kit includes 4 pieces of SmartTrack. Each piece of SmartTrack must be installed with 2 lag bolts. You will attach a power adapter, MyLifter, and carabiner to each SmartTrack. Use your stud sensor and find the nearest studs on either side of the mark you have made. Use the included drill bit and drill a hole in the first stud. Use the first lag bolt, install one end of the SmartTrack, and use that end as a pivot point to position the SmartTrack and drill the hole in the second stud. Then install the second lag bolt. Use a ratchet, as a drill might strip the hole. Repeat this process for the other 3 SmartTracks.